Welcome to TigerBridge. In this video, we will look at the new exciting features of TigerBridge version 4.1. We have a nice list of them. We will start with the opportunity to add a NAS device as a source. Then you can not only manage locally attached storage to your TigerBridge machine, but manage any storage in your on-premise or virtual structure. For that purpose, you need to click on the respective NAS source button and then fill in the required details. For more information, check out our How to Extend NAS functionality by using the cloud video. We also now support a number of additional target options that TigerBridge can connect to. When we click to add a target for a source, we can see that the list now includes Google Cloud, Google Drive, ERA, and OpenStack Swift. In our next demo, we will take a look at a couple of improvements related to file versioning, undelete, ransomware protection, and Windows Explorer integration. The ransomware protection setting is kind of a limit switch. It sets the maximum amount of file modifications under normal circumstances. If there are more modified files, TigerBridge detects that as an abnormal activity and stops the replication. This, in combination with the versioning feature, is the ultimate protection for your data. For more information, please check out our How to Prepare Your Organization to Counter a Crypto Virus Attack video. The next important feature is versioning. For that to work, we need to enable the Keep Replica Versions checkbox in the settings and make sure that versioning is enabled in the cloud. Once the prerequisites are met, if we right-click a file in the source folder and check its properties, we can see the Versions tab that has been added, and that allows us to restore to a different version of the file. We can also check the properties on the folder level. The Versions tab there allows us to set a moment in time and see how many files have been modified after that timestamp. For example, with the opportunity to restore to that state if needed. The Bridge tab now also has information about the files pending replication. If we set a desired timestamp, we can see the statistics of total managed files, versions of them, newer than timestamp files, obsolete, versions before the timestamp, and different files. The newer and obsolete buttons allow you to see the particular files that have been identified as newer or obsolete. On the folder level, we also have the much desired undelete option, which allows you to recover files that have been permanently deleted locally but still reside in the cloud. For more information on versioning, check out our Data Protection with File Versioning videos. Going back to the list of new features, remote monitoring of your TigerBridge managed data provides system administrators with better control and data management, and the replication policy is now being applied for delete and rename operations. With the cloud file locking, you can rest assured that no simultaneous changes are happening to your files. For the following example, we have set up GeoSync between two locations so they both have access to the same files. If we open this particular file and make a change from one location and then open the same file from another location, we are not allowed to save the change, as the file is currently being changed somewhere else. We are allowed to save the change in the first file only. With this release, we're also adding support of compliancy cloud settings, worm buckets, and containers to meet required data regulations. With the existing cloud data handling, when a target provider is selected, we can fill in all the details and see the new pop-up that allows us to select which should happen to the files that currently reside on the selected storage. We could take no action, list the data but not restore it, or fully restore it, for example. An improved upload or download logic allows you to make the most of the available bandwidth and partial restoration restores data from the cloud based on application or user request, helping you optimize your on-premise storage use. Partial restore lowers dramatically the latency by first restoring the data that is requested by the application. For the demo, we have added this media directory as a source, and within this directory there is a large file which currently occupies no space on the local disk. When we click to open it, scroll somewhere in the middle of it. Let it play for a couple of seconds and close it. We can go back to the properties of the file and see that a part of it, not the full file, has been downloaded. TigerBridge downloads the parts of the files that you need when you need them. For more information on partial restoration and its use cases, see our Optimizing Cloud Storage Usage for Adobe Premiere videos. This version also allows for partial updates of cloud objects to save upload bandwidth and features transparent handling of frozen, Glacier, or Archive cloud storage to optimize greatly cloud storage costs. It works on a file level. It does not take the block-based approach. We have also improved our Active Directory support that allows building hybrid storage solution even in the most demanding security configurations. This concludes the video summarizing the features available to you with TigerBridge 4.1. Thank you for viewing.